For sale. A Gothic-style country estate. Located in Arkholme, Lancashire, England. It offers 8 bedrooms. Storrs Hall estate occupies an outstanding position in the heart of the Lune Valley, with far-reaching views across rolling farmland and ancient woodland. The estate centres on a substantial principal residence, complemented by an indoor swimming pool, tennis court, garaging, and traditional outbuildings. Three further residential properties and an ancillary cottage provide excellent guest, staff, or rental accommodation. Extending to about 310 acres, the estate comprises productive farmland, pasture, and woodland, offering privacy, natural beauty, and scope for a range of uses. The asking price of this Gothic-style country estate is £10 million. Well positioned for access to Kirkby Lonsdale, Lancaster, and Kendal, Storrs Hall combines rural seclusion with proximity to excellent schools, amenities, and transport links, making it a rare and versatile country estate. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.